Welcome to our videos previewing our panels at our 2023 Qui Tam Conference, New Frontiers, Redefining the Landscape of the FCA. I'm Scott Oswald. I am Program Chair of the Qui Tam section. And joining me today is Giselle Joffre, partner at Foley Hoag, with a preview of our panel, Ethical Do's and Don'ts at Every Stage of the Qui Tam Case. Giselle, hello.
Hi, Scott. Thank you for having me.
Oh, so good to have you. Tell us a little bit about your panel, what we can expect.
Sure. So everyone out there has probably been to an ethics panel because we're required to do so to get our continuing legal education credits. I actually have never been to a panel that focuses on the False Claims Act, despite the fact that I do a lot of False Claims Act work. I think what you can expect if you are in the False Claims Act world is a panel catered to the specific issues that arise because of the unique character of a Qui Tam case. So for instance, while it's under seal, what can you do as a relator? Can you continue to collect information after it's under seal? Or as a defense attorney, sometimes there's a limited unsealing and you as a defense attorney are informed that there's this case, but who can you tell even within your client company? So we think that there are going to be a lot of exciting and interesting issues. And while the panel is called Do's and Don'ts, there will be some clear sort of, this is the way to go, this is the way to go. We actually expect a lot of exciting discussion. And this is what fits in with the theme of sort of frontiers, right, of the conference. We are going to have a panelist who is from the Whistleblower Law Collective. His name is Bruce Judge. He's a former prosecutor, actually had an ethics role at the U.S. Attorney's Office in Detroit. Now he represents relators. We're excited about his perspective. We're also going to have a professional responsibility officer who is currently in the commercial litigation branch. So a government representative who's, has an ethics role on a day-to-day basis who will chime in. And I'm a defense attorney. There'll be another defense attorney on the panelist too. So we're expecting to have sometimes some disagreement here about how things should go in the world of ethics, but it should be fun. And just really, I want to encourage people to come because you have to do ethics panel anyway. Why not do one that's central to your everyday work?
And sounds like you're going to make it a lot of fun.
Oh, it's going to be fun. We're going to have scenarios. We're going to have debates. And I think people will walk away with a clear understanding of at least sort of the boundaries and the frameworks and the issue spotting, right? At the very least, you'll know this is an issue that I should consider carefully.
Giselle, that just sounds terrific. Thank you so much. We are so much looking forward to this panel at the end of our second day of our annual conference, scheduled for February 16th and 17th in Washington, D.C. at the Hilton, Washington, D.C. Capitol Hill. Join us in person or virtually at www.fedbar.org.